Okay, so zf8spd 70 pan. Okay, this is for the Ram 1500. It's the PPE engineering. Now, this is just an unboxing video of this. I looked over it. I was just kind of wondering if I needed to order a gasket. Well, guys, this is all that's in your box. I did open this up. It does show that what part number you need here for your filter. This is what you get. Give you a bag. It had 3 stickers in, and it gives you a little bit of an instruction guide. Nice little corners that they put on here. 4 of those. Alright. And then here's your transmission pan. Alright. That's it. That's what you get. Drain plug. Actually pretty nice. It says PPE right on that. There's your PPE. This is just a standard all aluminum. It's a little deeper. Looks like they give you a secondary drain here. Yeah, that's it. Here's your part number for the filter on here also. It tells you what filter to use here on the pan. But that's what's included in here. Some stickers. Let's take a look at what's on the... They give you 3 different numbers. I don't know why. Maybe it's because one comes all black, one comes in a polished finish. There you go. Cool. Remove cross member. All down through. Tells you how to tighten it. Replacement filter number. So, once I opened it up, I found out I needed to get a pan gasket. I think Dorman makes a part number, and then I just found that I would get the Mopar one. I did order this one. It was supposed to be new, but the bag was open. It doesn't look like it's going to affect anything. Here's the part number. It's kind of hard to see, but you will have to order a gasket, whether it's the Mopar one or a Dorman one, or if you bought a standard filter and it came with a new gasket, you can just use that, I guess. But that's what comes in the box for that. All right, I'm probably going to do an install video on this. It will be the first time I'm doing one, but that will be later. But here we go. That's what you get.